Lemon is a powerful little fruit which has several health benefits. This fruit is a natural antiseptic and its juice is a strong cleaning agent. Not only it is beneficial for your health and beauty, but it can also improve the energy in your home. The smell of lemons combats depression, makes you fresh and boosts your energy. Here is how to use lemons to make your life better. Number 1. Place a few lemon slices in your room. That will make your room smell lovely instead of using air fresheners which are loaded with harmful chemicals. The sliced lemon in your room will fight any foul smell in the room. The scent can also increase your concentration, relieve you from depression, and help you stay more alert. Number 2. Before bedtime, put a sliced lemon near your bed. The gentle flavor of this citrus fruit will make you breathe easier and help you to fall asleep quickly. Breathing in the lemon-filled air throughout the night will improve your breathing and you will wake up with a clear head and a clear throat. So, if you suffer from asthma or you are dealing with a cold or allergies, you can try this method. Number 3. Place a not quite ripe green lemons on a bowl and slice it into 4 pieces. Put a circle of salt surrounding the citrus and place the bowl on your bedside table or under it, on the floor. Following those instructions will clear your bedroom of any negative energy. As the citrus absorbs the negative energy in the room, so it's very important to throw the lemons away first thing in the morning. It is important that you should not touch the lemon. So, you need to put the lemon in a plastic bag and throw it away from your house. Repeat this process for at least 3 days in a row. You will be surprised by the results. Another trick is mix lemon juice with some water in a bottle and spray the mixture whole house along with the corners. It will remove the negative energy of your house.